And the race is on. Elgin getting personal. And moving up by the rail is Gondor. Danori inside is IMAX together with entry number 2 Dashing. And rushing up is Sitonet. Gondor, Sitonet, IMAX, Dashing in the middle alongside getting personal. Elgin on the further outside and make no mistake is the early trailer. Entry number 3 Gondor followed by Dashing. Sitonet is racing in third, running in fourth in the middle, getting personal IMAX alongside is Elgin. Inside the last 600, Dashing Gondor. Sitonet is on the outside, moves up to take the lead. Sitonet's now the leader, followed by Gondor. Elgin, Dashing Danori inside. Dashing Sitonet fighting it out for the lead Gondor. And moving up is Elgin, IMAX getting personal as they race the final corner. Dashing Sitonet from the outside. It's dashing by Sam Tulen Sitonet. Elgin getting personal down on the inside is make no mistake. Dashing by Sam Trilens getting personal. And Sitonet make no mistake. And finally, Dashing getting personal. Sitonet make no mistake. Gondor, number 5, Elgin, and IMAX comes